Hey everyone, so I just want to show you what we've been working on for this last couple of months, and it's the PulseTrend dashboard. And this dashboard is based off of our PulseTrend indicator, which gives you a little bit more clear insight. If you're not a fan of indicators, this is as easy as it can get when you want to get an overall look of what the market is showing and your favorite coin or what you want to trade. So over here we have an overall market sentiment. So how does the market look right now overall based off of these top 10 market cap coins? Top 10 coins by market cap. And if you look at an individual coin, if you click Bitcoin, we also see that the chart opens up and you can just look at the chart. And here we have a current trend window, which shows us what the current trend is and how long it has been going on for. So we have been bullish for 3 hours. And what is the overall sentiment of the coin? So based off of the higher time frame, it's also bullish. And what the current status is, it's oversold. And the current price action, which is unpredictable. But overall, it's leaning more bullish based off of these indications. And for ETH, the same thing. 4 hours and the current price action is bullish, but it's more explained over here what these windows mean in detail. Also, you can check by biggest gainers, by biggest losers, or you can make your own watch list and see what's going on. Here, same thing. If you look at the biggest losers, bearish, unpredictable. We have a trend switch 10 minutes ago. Current price action is bullish, but the sentiment is bearish, and the current status is overbought. So not a lot of information here. And also another thing, when PulseTrend sends a signal like like here, we see this yellow glow. So this yellow glow means that our indicator just printed a take profit point. If it's a green glow, it means it showed a long entry. If it's a red glow, it means that it popped off a short entry. And another thing we also have is a bot, which is called SIA. And this we can see here in the SIA panel. So here, this is trading based off one of the indicators inside our PulseTrend indicator, and here you can use these statistics or information and you can send it to trade. So if we see over here, we have a couple of options. So we can select the amount we have. So let's say we have $100 leverage and how much capital we're willing to risk. Based off of this, and we can see how much our final balance would be in the last 28 days. And we can also see our max drawdown, the win rate, how much trades it took, the volatility of these trades, so on. Now another thing, over here we have to fix this, but if you click auto, it chooses the best possible options based off of these last 28 days to give you the most gains and the least drawdown. And with Bitcoin, if we traded with 17x with this bot the last 28 days, we would see a return of 94%. And it also shows us the current trade open, which opened is a long yesterday. It's been going on for 16 hours and currently it's in the negative. And each coin has a different story. So for Ethereum, in this last 29 days, max draw on 24% and return 46% based off of 3x and using 100% of capital. 26 trades, so on. And Ripple, 67% drawdown using 4x, 75% capital. But not all coins are gonna be green. As you can see with BNB coin, we will be losing money. So there's no optimal settings for for our indicator to be trading BNB coin, and some coins work better than others. So Solana 100%, Doge 177, and some of my favorites, Pepe 890%, MNT 2000% return based off of 1x leverage, 75% capital. And if we select, let's say 4%, 6%, right? And Zcash, Pump Fun. Some work out better than others. Now, we'll most likely be implementing more bots, or even more, because we also have a compound option and fixed option. So with always trades with the same amount, you can also use that it doesn't compound. It always trades, let's say you wanted always to trade with just $200 or $100, and your overall final balance would also differ, but if that's what you prefer, it's also an option, so you can either select compound or fixed. So yeah, that's it for now. Just wanted to show it, just wanted to give you a little quick rundown to see what we're up to, and take care. Bye bye.